Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see that how you can private your YouTube channel or how you can hide your YouTube channel. So first open up YouTube, click on your profile and just click on the YouTube studio option you are seeing. So once you click on that you will go to your studio of YouTube, and now here you will just click on the settings option you are seeing on the bottom. So once you click on the settings, you will see the channels on the setting. On the second option, just click on that, and now here just go to the advanced settings, scroll down and you will see the remove YouTube content. On the other settings, just click on the remove YouTube content. Now it will redirect you to the new tab, and now here you can just simply give your password and then click on the next. So now it will give you the option to I want to hide my channel. So just click on that option, and now it will give you the option to hide your channel. And now here you can just check this box. Your channel name will be private, your 76 public videos, your likes, your subscription, your subscriber, and your comments and replies. So you can just check this box and also check this box of if you want your data on other Google properties will be removed. After that, just click on the hide my channel. By clicking on this, just click on the hide my content. After that, now this channel will be hide YouTube and no one able to see your content. And guys, this is how you can hide your channel or you can private your channel on YouTube. And guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.